Ready to start investing with a trusted brokerage? Opening a Charles Schwab account online is a smooth, step-by-step process that takes about 10 minutes. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Visit the Schwab website and click Open an Account. You'll choose your account type, like an individual brokerage or IRA. The application will ask for your personal info, social security number, employment details, and financial profile. You'll also answer questions about your investment experience and goals. Once submitted, approval is often instant. You can then link your bank account to fund your new Schwab account. My crucial pro tip? Open a brokerage and checking account together. Consider opening a Schwab One or Schwab Investor checking account simultaneously. This creates a powerful financial hub for both investing and everyday banking, with perks like unlimited ATM fee rebates worldwide. In less time than it takes to have lunch, you can open a gateway to the markets. What type of Schwab account are you most interested in opening? Let me know in the comments. For more clear financial guides, subscribe. Thanks for watching. I'm Samuel, and I'll see you in the next video.